Hi everyone, I'm Natalia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today for lunch I'm going to make quick and easy burgers. And in next few minutes I'm going to share this recipe with you. All the ingredients are here with me, so we will need beef mince, 500 grams. We will need pork mince, 250 grams. We will need one vegetable stock pot dissolved in 80 milliliters of water. We will need 1 teaspoon of bread soda and very little of salt. So we're going to combine everything together and start making our burgers. So we have hot water here. We're going to dissolve this stock pot first. This vegetable stock pot gives delicious taste. I'm gonna add very little salt. Now I'm taking 500 grams of beef mince. It's 10% fat. We'll use all. And we need half of that amount of pork mince, about 250 grams. So I'm gonna split. I'll combine well with the hands because these chunks are too big for proper burgers. I want everything to be smooth and well combined. So that's why we're actually smashing with bare hands. I don't know how you do that, but I do like this. We need to combine two different meats, beef and pork, to be well mixed and to give even smooth mixture. I'm gonna add 1 full teaspoon of bread soda. Bread soda makes our burgers firm. We will add this 80 milliliters of water and vegetable stock pot dissolved. So it may look watery, but it's not. Again, we will do with our hands the whole process. So after we've made this smooth mixture, there is a next step, and it's very important. We need to place everything in the fridge for an hour before we make and fry our burgers. So after an hour in the fridge, our mixture for burgers is ready. And now we're gonna make them and fry them in the pan. It is very important for this mixture to stay in the fridge for an hour because that time is needed for everything to be settled and for burgers to be firm and to hold their shape. I'm using this plastic freezer bag to shape them. We are shaping them easily. Mixture is now fine. We are heating the olive oil. I'm going to fry them. So our burgers are ready. I'm adding a little bit of butterhead lettuce and a ketchup into mine, and we're gonna eat together then. So this is how burger looks like. Adding stock pot, vegetable stock pot into this meat mixture is very important, and it's a game changer. It's completely different taste and it gives very rich flavor. So if you didn't try it please. If you like this recipe, please like my video, subscribe and comment below, and see you soon in my next video.